Hi, Professor and class. My name is Sarabjit Kaur. My project name is Tariff War between China and US. So I have to download data. So I used government website, which is www SANISCA foreign trade data. So I have to download the data on my dashboard. So the data is, I just have to, I just put the product name, list number, I didn't change, implementation date, I didn't change, additional duties, I didn't even change. So I just color it. The section 301, I just color it, and then I just highlight the other column, the top of the column head. So what I did, and then I export the data to Tableau. I click here and upload it. So, and then I create sheet 1, which is called additional duties based on section 301 list. So this is the, on column I choose sum, I just grab it, I sum additional duty, and then row I use description. So I color it, and also I can click here and colored. So I just write a red and blue, which looks good. So here is the name of each product. I could use data source order. I can use field name. I can use alphabetic, but I just gonna leave it like that. For example, if you click here, it shows spark ingestion and reprocessing piston engine of vehicle of 870120. So if even you click anything and you can click down, it's tell me it's go, you know, it doesn't go in order, but it shows this description. And the bottom it shows the number, and then here it shows additional duties again. So the second sheet I used, so second sheet I created on the column, I create day, month, year, quarter. So what I did, I just drag here and then row, and I use average additional duties per section 301. So this is the circle I made. I could use other graph, but I didn't use that because I like this circle, because the circle looks good and color. So when I click on, for example, I click on blue circle, it's tell me the description, day of implementation date, 6 month of the implementation date, July, section 301. It shows also quarter 3, 2018, and additional duties 0.25%. And then same thing here, this color, a description, and the rest. So I could use lines, but I don't feel like to use. I'm go back here. So then sheet 3, same thing. I like the dots. It is the implementation date of additional duties per list numbers this time. So here is the same thing as a description, additional duty sheet 1 here, and then here is additional duty sheet 1, and here is the same descriptions as we go by. This is a July 6, this is the August, and then this is September. So the next sheet I made a circle. So I like this circle because it looks good, and it's the same thing, additional duty on product from China. So this red color, as we click on each dot, it gives us the name of the product. So for example, I click here, it's say list 3 wool blouse, and then if I click here, say something else. And then I made another circle with yellow. So it's also give the details of each product as we click on the bubble. And because I want to change, I want to keep same color I had before. Blue is this one. Blue is to talk about food like dried smoked salt made, phoenix, snail. and same fresh of dry nourishing Brazilian food. So this is additional duty on product from China, and this is the additional duty on product from US. So what we so it's the same thing, description as we click on, and same thing here, and this is a same thing for blue bubbles. Then product. So the third one I didn't use columns, so I used this is the title, product from US with additional duty. So what I did, I dragged section 301 here, and then this is I dragged here, and then description I dragged here. So it's giving me all the details here. This is the numbers, and this is the description. If I click on description here, it's giving me, but right here, it doesn't give me a whole detail. So when I click on this, it tells me everything. So this is the number basically. And then some of them it's 1%, or some of them it's 25. So now I'm clicking here to make dashboard. So dashboard I'm going to use, I can make dashboard, click on dashboard and new dashboard here. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to make dashboard and I'm going to choose additional duties. So what I'm going to drag it here. Then I'm making another. So I'm going to use another sheet right here. Then I can click here. What I'm going to use, I'm going to take out the title so I can make adjustment to see my other graph bubbles. So now I want to make sure I have enough space to make dashboard. So now I'm going to use other sheet right here. So same thing, I'm gonna take out the title to make sure I'm able to see it. The other one, it's basically, this is from, okay, so this is from China. So this is what we're going to use from US to make sure it looks good too. So I come here and then I'm not going to use a title. So this is my dashboard. So it's give me all the graph together. I don't have dashboard for country map because I couldn't find the data. So this one basically the bar and circle, and this is the other circle. This is I was talk about product from China. This is a product from US. This is the implementation date. So then I click here, save as. Want to make sure it's saved on my desktop before I exit out. And also if I want to make presentation, I can click here. I can make a presentation as well. So it looks good. Thank you for watching my video. Take care.